Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into layouts in Jetpack Compose, the building blocks of your UI. If you've ever wondered how Compose structures your app's UI or how to create custom layouts, this video is for you. Let's get started. In Jetpack Compose, layouts determine how UI elements are arranged on the screen. Unlike XML-based layouts in traditional Android views, Compose uses composable functions like column, row, box, constraint layout to structure UI elements. Now, let's take an example about the columns, rows, and boxes. In the next videos, we're gonna deep dive into these layouts, but I want from you to understand the use and the importance of layouts in Jetpack Compose. Let me create a new composable text. I say hello world and another text. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's run the application. Here I am not using any layouts. And here we go. We have the two texts are overlapped on each other. See that these two texts are overlapped. In order to solve this issue, we need to use the layouts. Let me start with the first layout, which is the column. Inside this column, place the two texts like this, run again, and here we go. The problem is solved. This is the first text and this is the second text. So column stacks items vertically. If I need to stack the items horizontally or align them horizontally, we need to change it to a row. So let me create a row. And inside this row, place these texts. Run again, and here we go. They are aligned horizontally. This is the first text, and this is the second text. Row aligns item horizontally. But how does Compose actually measure and position these elements? Let's break it down. Compose layouts work in three phases: measurement, placement, and drawing. Now let's introduce the box. Box is used for overlapping elements, exactly like frame layout. For example, let me start with box composable. Inside this box composable, we need to specify our texts. So cut them and paste it here. Run the application. And here we go. They are overlapped. So you can see that these two texts are overlapped inside this box composable. In this video, we made a quick recap about the column, row, and box layouts. Now, in the next videos, we're gonna deep dive into these layouts and we're gonna use them into our future projects. If this is your first time here on this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest tutorials and new tutorials and coding videos, and also likes and share with your friends. And if you are already subscribed, please comment below and like and share. Moreover, you are invited to join my bestseller courses on Udemy. So search for Android on Udemy. You'll get the first part, which is Java and Kotlin, the complete Android 15 course. It's a bestseller. And you can get the part 2, which is in Jetpack Compose, so you can master Jetpack Compose. Also contact me and get the coupon here, so you can enter here. You master coding 4 or master coding 5 or master coding 6. So try it to get your free coupon. Okay, guys. So please see the link below to get your free coupon and increase the number to get your free coupon. Okay. Thank you, guys, and welcome to our channel.